You just love yourself, don't you, babe?
Alright, folks. Well, if you saw the video earlier, you saw my mirror got knocked off by some prick on the road. But we got our Jimmy rig. Fucking put a screw in there with a washer. And then threw a little bit of electrical tape around it just so no water getting that crack there. Like, I don't know, it's on there. Fucking, it should be good for now. Because anyways, I plan on painting this matte black this spring, summertime-ish area. So what I'll do is when I do paint it, I'll just take both the mirrors off of it. And then my dad's got like 10 sets of mirrors from old trucks and shit. So I'll just Jimmy rig some new mirrors on when I paint it matte black. And she'll be good to go, Jack Cousteau. Fucking, this is my buddy's car right here. Fucking, if anyone's looking for a 2004 Civic, fucking SIR, 5-speed. Oh, she needs a little bit of work. I haven't even really seen this thing yet. We'll do a little walk around. For you folks. I think you'd probably take a pound or two of weed for it. Some good weed. Maybe $1,000, whatever. 1,500 bucks, pound or two of weed. Not like 1,500 and a pound or two of weed. I mean, or like pound or two of weed, or like 1,500 bucks. You know, like fucking body kit's falling off for a little bit, but a couple screws, a couple self-tapping screws, fix that right up, no problem. I wonder what the mileage is on the bitch. Can we even see? Oh no. The windows are too tinted and she's digital. Yeah. Lock tighter than a son of a bitch, and I ain't got the keys for her, so. Yeah, that's an alright little car. Like, I don't know, it needs a little body work here and there. It's got a nice fucking fart can feature on her. So yeah, fuck, can't complain about that. Oh shit, now we're starting to poke around in the backyard. Fucking got the shed open, because it's another really nice day. So I want to try sorting some shit out in here. Might get a little time lapse of me cleaning some shit out and whatnot. These tires here, fucking, I don't know if I told you guys, but the other day I picked up like an hour's worth of work. Had to go pick up the carpet and bring it to someone's house. Made like 15-20 bucks. But anyways, they gave me these tires. And I was thinking I might be able to use them for the Ford. Like, they're not, couldn't use them on the road. They got weather cracks in them, but tread's not bad. There's one more tire over at the house I still have to grab. It was snowed in, but it's got brand new fucking tread on it. Might be cracked, like winter weather cracked a bit, but you can still see the fucking color lines on the tread, so you know it'll do good there. But yeah, this is what we're up to at the moment. So I'm gonna fucking open up this slotting double door here, if it'll let us. Oh, hold on here, we'll get her. There we go. Then we really see what's going on here. So yeah, if anyone doesn't know, this is Brappy's little workshop right here. Fucking, you'd be surprised what I can do in this little shed. We've gotten lots of work done. Fucking motor swaps, fucking had a skidoo in here, you name it, we've done it. But yeah, fucking lots of good shit to come this spring, folks. Don't you worry. Alright folks, it's your boy Brappy here. We've been cleaning out the shed. We got power hooked up to her now. You can see where I went through the wall there, Captain. I got my own power board here. Light switch, light goes on. Built that all myself. Got my old battery charger, car stereo. Oh yeah.
Your laptop or desktop. Oldies 96.7.
Fucking, there'll be lots of good shit coming this year. Get the garage cleaned back up. Got our fucking 2-stroke Jenny here that Gramps gave us. We're gonna have a few episodes just on this. Fucking getting her running and whatnot. So yeah, fucking, we're getting there. Itching our way out slowly but surely. Getting her cleaned up, getting tools put away. So yeah, fucking stay tuned, folks. Hey guys, it's your boy Brappy. Fucking got this shed looking a lot better now. It's fucking cleaned up a bit, you know. Got tools organized a bit. Fucking, oh, squeaky door. Yeah. Got sockets, fucking hammers and shit. Got another tool thing over here. Got fucking wrenches, or not wrenches, fucking. Oh, fuck. I did not realize I had all the sandpaper. That's gonna come right in handy for when we paint the truck. Got a fucking cut-off wheel. Yeah, that's perfect. What else we got? Some electrical stuff. Couple broken ratchets. Yeah, fucking definitely looking a lot better than it was a couple hours ago. Got all this shit organized, Allen keys and shit. It's just some malicious shit. Just a random drawer. Yeah, I got her tidied up a bit. Can't complain. Radio's working good. Sat all winter, still working mint. Yeah, no complaints here, folks. Well, other than my mirror getting ripped off, that was a bit of a complaint, but fuck, whatever. It's good for now, so like, subscribe, comment, and we'll fucking catch you in the next one, folks.